which is a body, mind, and soul boutique studio located in Monroe, Connecticut. I'm back to share some more exercises with you. And I'm going to start with a quadruped table exercise. And I'd like you to find your knees under your hips. If you need cushion, you can place a blanket or fold your mat up to meet your knees. And then your wrists directly or slightly in front of your shoulders. You want to be able to find your core connection. So I recommend taking a breath in. And as you exhale, you should be able to draw in from the front, sides, and back of your trunk to stabilize your table. Notice I'm still able to talk to you and I've honored the natural curves of my spine. Dorsiflex the feet and then slide one leg out and one arm forward. That's challenging in and of itself without changing in positions of your spine. If you'd like to add more, you can float the arm and the leg up without changing your table. If you'd like to add more, you can. I'm just switching legs for you here. Maybe add a little arm weight. This is a 2-pound weight. You can start with ones. So adding a little rear delt, rear shoulder, upper back arm work here. If that becomes too easy, you can also add in hip extension on the opposite leg. You can kind of layer it. You guys know I'm not a reps and sets person. When you're done, you're done. One side is usually a little easier than the other. And then you can release that out. I'm going to turn my body and also show a variation with the loop band for the lower body. You guys know I love the TheraBand and the loop band. I've been sharing videos with all of those tools and props. This is a light band and I'm placing it between my knees and my hips. And again, you can just start with the table. And then I'm just going to slide my leg that's closest to the camera out to you and then extend the hip up. And already I can feel the feedback from the front thigh to the back thigh, glute, and hamstring. You can also add a little abduction of the leg. It's very interesting. And you could add in the arm. So lots of fun ways to work in quadruped and experience different feedback in the body with or without weights. I recommend starting just with your body, opposite arm and leg, switching, and then playing with it. Maybe upper body, maybe lower body, maybe both. Nice to see you again. See you soon. Thank you.